Good morning. Good morning. I did not wrap my hair after I did my braided updo, and I will put a link to that video up here. But I have to run out quickly because I thought that I was getting ready to cook, and there are a couple of things that I need. One of those things is salt. Who runs out of salt? Who runs out of salt? Nobody but me. Okay. And my smoked paprika. I don't have any more of that, and I have very little salt. So I'm going to run out, pick that up, come back, and finish cooking for the day. But I'm putting my hair up in the top. No really good rhyme or reason, except that I am going to wrap my hair today. So I'm just putting all the braids together. My wrap is cotton, and so I don't want my hair to dry out anymore. So I'm going to put my, what do you call this thing anyway? My bonnet on underneath my wrap. And I'm wrapping my hair with this. This is the one that I prefer. And just bear with me on this. I can wrap my hair, but I don't really have a process. And so each time, since it's the times that I wrap it are so far apart, each time I have to really think it through. Okay. Okay, so I think that's kind of cute. I really do. Seems like some intricate thing that I did right there. And it just happened just because. It just happened. I didn't plan it, but I love it. So this is how I'm going to wear my hair today. I'm going to run out to the store and get what I need. Come back home. I'm going to keep it wrapped all day because I really, really like this. I wish I had reason to put on some lipstick, but I don't because I have to wear a mask. So, yeah. Enjoy your day, and thank you for watching my video.